Mix salt with dish soap, and you'll be surprised by the result. After I started using this mixture, I never bought it at the supermarket again. To start our simple tip, we're going to need dish soap. The brand, scent, and essence, it's of your choice. Add 7 ounces of dish soap to a large container. Next, we're going to need salt. Just the regular kitchen salt. Add 2 tablespoons and then mix well. Now we're going to need baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix a little more. And finally, just add 1 cup of water. Just tap water at room temperature. Then mix one last time. I couldn't believe that mixing these ingredients could make this happen. I was surprised by the result. That's why I want to share this with all of you. So you can take advantage of it and save a lot of money. After mixing well, it's ready. What we're going to do now is transfer the entire mixture to an empty container. I'll use this dish soap bottle. And I imagine you're curious, wondering what this is for. What we just made is one of the best homemade aluminum cleaners and polishers ever produced. That's right. You'll use this product to clean and shine all kinds of aluminum in your house, especially your pots. Look at the condition of this pan. Extremely burned and with grease crusts. People, when they have a pan like this, usually throw it away. But you don't have to do that. Just take our product and pour it directly into the pan. Then you'll simply scrub very well. No need for steel wool or to apply force scrubbing because our product is very potent. It's also perfect for cutlery, stainless steel items, aluminum items, for the sink basin, and even some appliances in your home. And besides cleaning, it will give an incredible shine to your pieces. See how all the dirt and burn marks come off effortlessly. And all of this with cheap ingredients that we all have at home. An extremely economical and very useful product. This will make your pans look brand new, like from the store. I bet all your visitors will be impressed with the shine of your pans. Just look at the result, how amazing! So make sure to give this wonderful tip a try at home. For sure you'll love the result. That was today's tip. I hope you liked it very much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.